Now, when you go to do the actual mandala, I gave my students Sharpie, fine tip Sharpie markers. You can use any fine markers that you want. And the interesting thing, or the coolest thing about a mandala, is that no matter what you do, as long as you do it in each of these sections, it just turns out really cool. So I'll go ahead and start one. I kind of have a tendency to do kind of floral looking mandalas. Other students will do geometric looking mandalas, and I have some examples of student work. Another thing that you can have the students do is kind of put little dots with their pencil to help guide their lines. So they make sure that they're doing them all symmetrically. This is actually called radial symmetry. And of course it's not going to be perfect because it's hand drawn, but many times hand done work is more beautiful than if you were able to do something perfectly. The hand-drawn art will be more beautiful than something done on a computer, for example. So encourage your students not to worry too much about perfection, because the beauty of the mandala is that as you create these symmetrical patterns, it just, even if there's some mistakes in there, it looks beautiful when it's done. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to do like a little bit of a leaf pattern, and I just want to give myself a little bit of a guide. Let's see, I'm going to do, I don't want to do that one actually. I'm going to do every other one. Okay, so I'm going to create kind of like a petal leading up to that point and then coming back down around, and I'm going to go every two. Okay. And then, so another thing I talk about with my students a lot is to get a variety of line types. That adds to the rhythm of your artwork, and rhythm is a good thing. It makes your eye kind of dance along the composition.